Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to do hypnotic induction and especially eye fixation. Eye fixation is one of the best hypnotic induction that you can get started if you're new to hypnosis, and it's very easy to do. Actually, you can just ask your partner or you can ask your hypnotic or clients that there is a specific point that they can focus on. So first, I would like us to focus on the ceiling. So I want you to just look up, roll your eyes up, and just looking up a real or imagined spot on the ceiling. And as you're rolling your eyes up, you begin to focus and your eyes start to feel tired, heavy, and drowsy. This would be the whole point, that they are becoming that lifting the eyes, rolling up the eyes. And as you could see, my client, the eyes become to turn into white. And these eyes is very heavy right now to keep it open. And you, when you are satisfied, you can only see the white part. You can just say to them, and now I'm going to ask you to close your eyes. Close your eyes all the way down. And as you close your eyes all the way down, your eyes feel locked down, shut down, glued shut. You always want to make sure that they are completely closing their eyes. If you want to get more effect, you can also ask them to just drop their chin down, and that's also send the signal immediately to the brain to completely relax. So this is the one eye fixation that is really cool. Perfect. You can open your eyes. Super. And the other thing that people really love trying, I don't have now, but the pendant. It's a really cool way as well to get hypnotized. So you would just swing a pendant, but we can do it with the hand. So I'm going to use the butterfly induction, which I really love. That's also sending a signal. So you are just moving a pendant right or left, or you are moving your hand on right or left, and ask them to follow. So I just want them to follow, look right and left, right and left. And as you keep following my hand, you become to more and more confused, and you become to more and more sleepy. And when I'm going to tell you to close your eyes, your mind is going to go sleep and completely blank. Close your eyes all the way down, down, down. Perfect. And you can open your eyes. And the third one also could be a really cool way. If you have a candle, then you can use also the flame. So that could be also for you to try tonight. So self-hypnosis could be also a great way. So the easiest way to get completely relaxed and hypnotized, if you light a candle and just follow the flame, so it will give exactly the same effect as the butterfly and then also the pendant. Because again, it's an eye fixation, so the point is really to fixate onto one specific point. And also because I love erotic hypnosis, so generally I do also with boobies or butts or something like that. So one of my specialty that I came up with is actually the boobie induction, which is like imagining those beautiful big bouncy breasts going to one side to another, bouncing back and forth, or up up and down. And the same effect happens because they are fixating, they are imagining in their mind's eye that actually those boobies going back and forth, back and forth. So it's going to give the same effect as we would use the patent. So they're going to get hypnotized also immediately. So these are the 3 tips that you can try for eye fixation. I think they are super practical, super cool.